We know that potholes are one of the biggest concerns for residents, and that's why we are investing in our roads as a top priority. This year, we put in an extra £2.9 million into repairing potholes and resurfacing roads across Neath for Talbot. This investment is part of our neighbourhood improvement programme, which strengthens our existing repair programmes and allows us to do more in our communities, but it doesn't stop there. This programme also includes replacing 31 bus shelters and upgrading street furniture. Plus, we are investing in a new machinery to support winter gritting and grass cutting. And we'll be creating a £1 million community investment fund to support local projects across our community. We're proud of the work our teams do, and we'll continue to invest where it is needed most, while listening to you, our residents, with your feedback.
Our highways team are out every day working to keep our roads safe. Last year alone, we repaired more than 6,500 potholes. Most of these were identified through our own inspections, so problems can be tackled straight away. The equipment you can see behind me helps our teams carry out repairs quickly, safely, and to a high standard. That includes everything from patching problem areas and resurfacing roads to responding directly to reported issues. And residents play a real important part in this. If you spot a pothole, please report via our website. It only takes a minute and it helps our teams fix the problems.